So I'm going to log into my management node. I'm going to use SSH admin at 192.168.1.19. Type in my password. This management node is my management node for my Warewulf cluster. I can become root, and I can view my cluster by doing a www.ctl node status -w, and I can see I have worker node 01 and worker node 02 up. Worker node 01 and worker node 02 are on their own private network. Here they exist in Virtual Management Bridge 1. What I am doing is shrinking the mounted storage that I am going to attach for the repository that we'll be sharing and have connection to the worker nodes. And I will also be attaching storage to NFS. But in the past, I attached too much storage, and I need to reduce some of that so that I have it for later labs. I actually need to shut down this server and detach this disk because it hasn't been used and I haven't configured anything on it yet. So what I can do is shut down now on this server. I'll bring back up my console. We should see that the server is shut down now. And I'll go over to hardware. I'm going to click on the storage that I want to either resize. You can increase it, but I haven't been able to decrease it. So what I'm going to do is, since I haven't configured anything on the storage, is actually detach it. I'm going to click on the unused disk 0 and I'm going to remove it. I'll click yes. Now this gives me the storage back to my storage pool for the hornet's nest. You can see we have the additional storage now. I'm going to go back to my management server. I'm in hardware. I'm going to add another hard disk. I'm just going to simply make this smaller. I'm going to do 115 gigabytes on the local logical volume management. Click add. And now we should be able to boot our server back up. And I'll do an lsblk. And now we have 115 gigabytes available to us to use for mounting directories. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.